Satellite microwave system is similar to terrestrial microwave system, except that signals travel from a ground-based sender to a satellite and then from the satellite back to another ground station. In satellite microwave, stations do not need to be within each other's sight, and the signal can travel much longer distances. Some satellites are capable of transmitting signals halfway around the Earth. Satellites are typically classified based on their distance from the Earth. The closer satellites to Earth have a shorter propagation time, the time a signal takes to go from a sender to a receiver. The drawback of being close to Earth is that the satellite must continuously circle the Earth to remain in orbit. These types of satellites are mostly used for mobile telephone systems. As this figure shows, satellites orbit the Earth from four positions: low Earth orbit or LEO, middle Earth orbit or MEO, geosynchronous Earth orbit or GEO, and highly elliptical Earth orbit or HEO. LEO satellites are closest to the Earth. They're about 100 to 1000 miles away from the surface of the Earth. They are mostly used for wireless email, mobile telephones, pagers, and video conferencing. MEO satellites can be found about 1000 to 3000 miles from the Earth, and they are used primarily for navigation systems such as Global Positioning System or GPS. GEO satellites are found about 22,000 miles from the Earth and are always positioned over the same point on Earth. So ground stations can conduct continuous transmissions from Earth to the satellite and back to the Earth. GEO satellites are used for signal relay and meteorology.